Alright, what's up everyone? So today we're talking about the Lenovo Yoga 730. This is the 13-inch model. On this side we have the headphone jack and two Thunderbolt Type-C ports. And on the other side we got the power switch and a full USB. And let's take a look inside. But first, this is my tortoise Flash. He's about 2 years old and my wife got him for me on my birthday 2 years ago. And right here, this is the back real quick. The speakers are also in the bottom, which I did not show right here, but I'm going to be showing in a bit. This is a Intel Core i5 8th gen with right there what I mentioned already, the Thunderbolt Type-Cs, a stylus, and fingerprint recognition. Let me just turn this on real quick. Turns on actually pretty fast in my opinion. I've never owned a laptop, but I thought it was pretty fast. It's already ready to go. You just put your finger on there, and if not, you could just, you could put a passcode, a password, sorry. And yeah, that was my wife and my daughter. And let me just take this to YouTube. I'm going to be showing a video in just a bit, but right now I'm just going to be clicking on my channel. And if you have not subscribed, please do so now and hit that like button if you do enjoy this video. But yeah, let me just get into the specifics of the laptop right now. Okay, so on the bottom we have the JBL speakers, and right now I'm going to show you guys a video clip to show you guys how loud they are. Okay, so let's just click on the video. Unbox Therapy is one of the people that I kind of watch often, so let's just click on that one.
Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read.
Okay, that's only at 36.
Alright, so I've talked a lot about searching for the perfect laptop. I've been having a lot of fun trying to zero in on.
And as you can tell, it actually sounds pretty good. I mean, I'm in a quiet environment at the moment. My family is asleep, so I'm trying not to be too loud. But I mean, it gets the job done. You can hear everything perfectly, and if you can't, it has Bluetooth. You can connect some speakers if you would like, or you can just connect your headphone jack. Maybe you got Bluetooth headphones, you can connect those too. But I mean, if you're using the speakers at home, or you're just watching a movie by yourself, or you're just laying in bed using the laptop, it's good. It's decent. I don't think laptops should actually have very loud speakers in general, just because it doesn't really serve a purpose. I mean, if you're gonna listen to music, I would recommend actually using speakers or whatever you actually have to do with it. But I mean, I think this sounds actually pretty good. Okay, and for my last thing of the day, oh, actually, before I get to that, okay, I just got another video, but anyways, you can see the quality of the audio and a little bit of the visual. I don't feel like it looked as good as it actually does in person. But anyways, before I get to my last thing, just wanted to talk about the keyboard. The only other keyboard I've actually really used was from my old iMac, the wireless ones that they come with, and I actually enjoy this one better just because the buttons are a little, like, they actually click a little more. Again, I have nothing else to compare it to, but I enjoy this one in particular, and maybe eventually in the future I'll be able to try some other keyboards from different laptops, but as of right now I'm enjoying this one. I've also tested out the MacBooks in store. Like, I've typed on them before, and I just feel like they're a little too close, like they don't go down enough. And yeah, so the last thing that I'm gonna get to is I'm gonna test out the little camera, the webcam camera, and that's gonna be the total of the video. So let me just get to that part. Okay, so this is what the webcam looks like. I think it's a 720p camera. You can record in 720p. The lighting in here is not that great. We're using our tortoise flashes light, and my daughter right here just climbed onto my lap, so I have to make sure that she doesn't grab everything. But I'm gonna attempt to video edit. This actually has a video editing app that we can use, and so I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna use that for this video. I've normally been um, editing and posting on my phone, so I'm just gonna see how it works doing it on this laptop, how easy it is, and that could be for another video. Say bye, Kirby. Say bye. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe if you haven't, and if you enjoyed this video. Later.